Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going straight to action. First, confirm your device actually has an ambient light sensor in Device Manager, because without one, adaptive brightness won't work. Once done, make sure you know whether you're on battery or plugged in, since power profiles change behavior. Now open Settings, go to System then Display, and keep that page visible. You do this so you can immediately verify changes. This avoids wasting time toggling random features later. Next, you disable competing systems so Windows can control brightness predictably. Open Power Options from Control Panel, edit your active plan, and in Advanced Settings set Display right arrow enable adaptive brightness to off for both battery and plugged-in modes. Then open your GPU control panel, Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD, and turn off any dynamic or eco brightness options because those override Windows and cause flicker or wrong behavior. Doing this aligns all controllers. Once done, go back to Settings Display to test immediate response. Finish by updating or reinstalling both the display and sensor drivers in Device Manager, because outdated drivers often break adaptive features. After updates, test the behavior. Change the light around the sensor or cover it briefly to confirm changes. Make sure Windows Update is applied and reboot. If auto brightness still misbehaves, disable the ambient light sensor device temporarily or roll back the display driver. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.